From the frozen wastelands of the Arctic Circle to the towering peaks of the Himalayas, our planet is etched with roads that push human limits. These are not journeys for the faint of heart. Roads wind precariously along sheer cliffs where a single mistake can be fatal. Join us as we explore the world's most dangerous roads. Witness the challenges, dangers, and determination of these drivers. This is a journey into danger, showcasing human resilience and nature's raw power. High in the Indian Himalayas, carved into the sheer rock face, lies the Kishtwar-Kailash Road. This narrow ribbon of asphalt clings precariously to the mountainside, offering breathtaking views and heart-stopping drops. Drivers navigate blind corners, their tires inches from the edge, a yawning abyss plunging thousands of feet below. Landslides are a constant threat, sending rocks and debris cascading onto the road. Local villagers traverse this treacherous route daily, their courage a testament to human resilience. To drive the Kishtwar-Kailash Road is to stare death in the face. In the rugged mountains of northeastern Turkey, the Bayburt D-915 road snakes through sheer cliffs and dizzying drops. Known as one of the most challenging roads, it has 29 hairpin turns, each a test of nerve and skill. No guardrails, no margin for error. The surface is a mix of gravel and asphalt, often slick with rain or snow. Despite the danger, it connects remote villages to the outside world. High in the Indian Himalayas, where the air is thin and the temperatures plummet below freezing, lies the Zoji La Pass. This treacherous mountain pass, one of the highest in the world, connects Ladakh to Kashmir, but not without exacting a heavy toll. To journey across the Zoji La Pass is to experience the raw power of nature firsthand, a journey fraught with danger, but one that offers a glimpse into a world of breathtaking beauty and resilience. Chapter 4. Skipper's Canyon Road, New Zealand's unforgiving gravel gauntlet. Carved into the side of a mountain, Skipper's Canyon Road in New Zealand is not for the faint of heart. This narrow gravel road clings precariously to the cliff face, offering stunning views and hair-raising drops. One wrong move, one misjudged turn, could send a vehicle tumbling into the canyon below. Blind corners, sheer drops, and loose gravel make for a white-knuckled driving experience. Yet for those brave enough to take on the challenge, Skipper's Canyon Road offers an unforgettable adventure. Chapter 5. Fairy Meadows Road, Pakistan's narrow path to paradise. The journey to Fairy Meadows in Pakistan begins with a promise of breathtaking beauty. But the road leading there tells a different story. This narrow, unpaved track winds its way up a mountainside, offering stunning views and terrifying drops. Landslides are a constant threat, and the road is often reduced to a single lane, barely wide enough for a jeep. Yet, despite the danger, the Fairy Meadows Road remains a popular destination, attracting adventurers and nature lovers from around the world. Chapter 6. North Yungas Road, Bolivia's Death Road. Known as Death Road, the North Yungas Road in Bolivia is a chilling testament to the dangers of driving in the Andes Mountains. This narrow, winding road clings to the edge of sheer cliffs, offering breathtaking views and heart-stopping drops. Fog often obscures the road ahead, adding another layer of danger to an already treacherous journey. Yet, despite the risks, the North Yungas Road remains a vital link for local communities, connecting them to the outside world. Chapter 7. James Dalton Highway, Alaska's frozen highway to hell. Cutting through the vast, unforgiving wilderness of Alaska, the James Dalton Highway is a lifeline to the oil fields of the North Slope. This remote and challenging road tests the limits of human endurance, with freezing temperatures, howling winds, and blinding snowstorms a constant threat. The Dalton Highway is not a journey for the faint of heart. Guoliang Tunnel Road, China's tunnel of sheer terror. Carved into the Taihang Mountains of China, The Guoliang Tunnel Road is a testament to human determination and a marvel of engineering. This narrow, winding tunnel, carved by hand by local villagers, offers stunning views and hair-raising drops. The Guoliang Tunnel Road is a journey into the heart of the mountain, a testament to human ingenuity, and an unforgettable experience for those brave enough to make the journey. Chapter 9. Atlantic Ocean Road, Norway's Highway to the Storm. Stretching across an archipelago in Norway, the Atlantic Ocean Road is a masterpiece of engineering. This scenic highway, often battered by fierce storms, offers a driving experience unlike any other. Drivers navigate causeways that rise and fall with the rhythm of the ocean. To drive the Atlantic Ocean Road is to experience the full fury of the North Atlantic. Chapter 10. Dalton Highway, Alaska's Ice Road Gamble. The Dalton Highway, a lifeline to Alaska's North Slope oil fields, transforms into a treacherous ice road during the winter months. Truckers, the lifeblood of this remote region, battle extreme cold, blinding blizzards, and the constant threat of black ice. The Dalton Highway in winter is a testament to human resilience, a perilous journey through some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. Chapter 11. Karakoram Highway, a drive on the roof of the world. The Karakoram Highway, snaking its way through the towering peaks of the Himalayas, is the highest paved international road in the world. Connecting Pakistan to China, it is a testament to human ingenuity and a journey through some of the most breathtaking and treacherous landscapes on Earth. The Karakoram Highway is a journey of a lifetime, a test of human endurance, and a humbling reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. We've journeyed across continents, scaled mountains, and braved the elements, all in pursuit of the world's most dangerous roads. These roads are not for the faint of heart, but for those who crave adventure and seek to test their limits. Would you dare to take the wheel and brave the treacherous turns? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more extreme content.